Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and like this video. Today we are doing this floral arch for the door. You can use this for weddings, any event for the door. But I use this for a celebration of life. And the flame I used to make this is the pipe and drape. I chose to use this flame because they are solid. Nobody can knock them off as they are walking through the doors. Enjoy the video. So I've cut this insulation board and I'm taping it around the pole, on the pole itself. You can as well use a swimming noodle, or this thing they use for scaffolding, the scaffolding foam. You can use that one as well and put it on the pole. This is for to enable you to stick in flowers when you tie your green panel. So we have 3 poles here, like 2 poles for the backdrop and 1 crossbar that goes on top. You need to make sure that you tie the foam all over it. I'm just using gaffer tape to tie the foam. So you tie on the 3 poles, the 2 poles and 1 crossbar. All of them need to have this foam on it. So now I'll use boxwood panel and use cable ties to tie it around the pole. I've put up the frame now, but as I put up the frame, I saw that the door is higher than the actual frame, so I had to extend it. I had to extend the poles to be higher. As a result, there's a gap on the corners. You can see the corners, it's not well done. There's a gap that don't have foam, and as well as they don't have the green boxwood panel. I need to add the green boxwood panel and foam on the corners. Then after that, I'll start putting in the foliage. So as usual, you need to count your foliage to make sure that you don't run out. So like you need to count on 1 pole how many you need to put. If you have like 100 pieces, you need to put 30 and leave the 10 for where you see that there's more gap. So like you would do 31 on the right, 30 on the left, and 30 at the top, and then maybe leave 10 to do the where you see that there's a bit of gap. Always count your foliage. It is very important, foliage and flowers, so that you shouldn't run out as you're doing it. Okay, now we finished putting the foliage. Now we can put flowers. On this one, I'm just putting in paper flowers. That's it, just a little bit, not too much, because I wanted the green to be more. This one is just the purple flowers, just to give it a bit of a rhythm to the floral arch. So you can put any flowers you like, but for this one is paper. See the way I'm putting the paper flowers. I'm not putting them in a straight line, kind of zigzag, yeah, in the zigzag, not straight line, so kind of a wobbly zigzag. Thank you.
Well, somebody will get married or something.
I'm sure not that.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.